Hi there, sir. Welcome to RIPOFF. Can I help you find anything? Hi, yeah, my friend told me you guys have good deals. I'm looking to buy the new Samsung. Oh, no, sorry, sir. We don't have Samsungs. We have Samsungs. What? Yeah, it's way better. It's more of an in-the-now kind of phone. Okay, does it use Android? No, even better. Humanoid. A phone that can talk to you about your feelings. Yeah, I don't need that. Alright, so do you know of any good shoe stores nearby? Oh, we have shoes. You do? Do you have any Nike? We have Psych. Like Nike, but not. Well, at least the name is up front with you. Any Adidas? Adidas. Skechers? Tackies. Vans? Wagons. Under Armour? Overshield. Asics? Buttocks. Alright, I'm going home. I'm gonna go watch some Marvel. We got Marvel movies. Oh, really? Got the Avengers? No, we got the Paybackers, an exclusive release into their B team. I'm afraid to ask. Iron Man? Plastic Fellow. Spider-Man? Bug Boy. Thor? Storm Boy. Hulk? Big Boy. I will burn this place to the ground. Goodbye. Alright, have a good day, sir. Follow us on Exchangeagram.